Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'll show you how to book flight tickets using Tabby and pay for them in convenient installments. Yes, you can now travel now and pay later. First, ensure you have an active Tabby account with sufficient limit for your ticket purchase. You can check this in the Tabby app. Next, visit the website of Tabby's flight partners. Currently, this includes airlines like Air Arabia and other travel agencies that partner with Tabby. Then, search for your desired flight as you normally would. Select your dates, destinations, and passengers. After that, at the checkout page, look for the Tabby payment option. It should appear alongside other payment methods like credit cards. Select Tabby as your payment method. You'll be redirected to log into your Tabby account. Choose your preferred installment plan, usually 4 interest-free payments, and confirm your purchase. Your flight tickets are booked. Tabby will split the cost into equal payments charged every 2 weeks. If this made your travel planning easier, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.